Hello, dear friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Russian for Everybody. And today we will discuss two Russian verbs which we use when we talk about the movement with the help of a transport. So these verbs are ехать and ездить. Let's get started. So, ехать and ездить. The verb ехать we use is almost the same as the verb идти. If you haven't seen my previous videos, you can find them on my YouTube channel. So please push the button subscribe and watch my other lessons. So, ехать. We use it when we talk about one-way direction. And we use it when we want to characterize a single action. And we use this verb when we have some kind of words like сейчас, today, сегодня, сейчас, now, сегодня, today, and завтра, tomorrow. Like, сейчас я еду в школу. It means that now I go to school. And this verb ехать means that I use some kind of a transport like bus, metro, maybe my own car, trolley bus, and something like this. So if we use the verb ехать, it automatically means that you use some kind of a transport. So it's not the verb to go on foot, because for going on foot, we use the verbs идти and ходить. Other examples. Сегодня я еду на дачу. Today I'm going to my dacha. Of course, dacha is normally is located in the countryside, so I need to go there by train or by car. Поэтому that's why I say сегодня я еду на дачу. And the last example with the word завтра, tomorrow. Завтра я еду на море. It means that tomorrow I go to the sea and I will use maybe a car, maybe a train, maybe plane also. Завтра я еду на море. So I can't even mention the transport, but all Russian native speakers will understand that ехать is connected with some kind of a vehicle. And of course, it's a one-way direction. So we use ехать when we mean the movement from point A to point B. So, я еду на дачу means that I go from Moscow to my dacha. And here, I don't talk about my returning back, my returning home. Okay. And the verb ездить, we use when we talk about regular repeated actions. And here we use such words like всегда, always, каждый день, every day, часто, often, обычно, usually, редко, seldom, регулярно, regularly, никогда, never, раньше, before, любить, to like something и ненавидеть, to hate. Примеры, examples. Я каждый день еду на работу. I every day go to work. Каждый день еду на работу. And I use some kind of transport. So we use it for regular repeated actions. And the verb ездить we use when we want to show the two-way direction. So it's clearly can be noticed in the past tense, of course. So, like, вчера я ездила на дачу. It means that I went from home to my dacha and then I returned to my home. So, from home to dacha and from dacha to home. Two-way direction. Okay, let's look on the usage. So ехать again. Ехать we use when we talk about one way, direction, and single action. So in the present tense, this verb will be changed like я еду, I'm going, ты едешь, you are going. Ты это one person, informal. Он, она едет, he is and she is going. Мы едем, we are going. Вы едете, you are going. Group of people or one person, formal. И они едут, they are going. Examples. Я сегодня еду в Петербург. Today I'm going to St. Petersburg, and it means that I will use maybe plane, maybe train, maybe car. Here I don't match it, but I understand that here I will use some transport. The second example. Завтра мы едем в Москву. Tomorrow we are going to Moscow. Again, the similar situation. We use some transport. Train, car, bus, doesn't matter. If you want, of course, you can mention the transport, like завтра мы едем в Москву на поезде, by train. But it's not obligatory. So everyone will understand it like going with the help of transport. And the past tense of the verb ехать will be absolutely regular forms. Он ехал, она ехала, and all plural forms они ехали. You can see them in brackets after the infinitive. Ехать. Он ехал, она ехала, они ехали. We use this verb in the past tense when we want to show that something was in the process in the past tense. Like, когда я ехал на работу, я слушал музыку. So it's like English past continuous tense, was going. That when I was going to work, I listened to music. So these actions were at the same time. Когда я ехал на работу, I was going to my work while I was going to my work. Я слушал музыку. Okay. And the verb ездить, as I told you already, we use when we talk about repeated actions that we use regularly, going on transport regularly, or if it's a two-way directed movement. So how we change this verb? Я езжу, езжу. Pay attention on its pronunciation. Here we write Z and J in the middle, but pronounce only J. Я езжу, я езжу. Ты ездишь, ты ездишь. You go, он, она ездит. He, she goes. Мы ездим, we go. Вы ездите, you go, group of people or one person, formal. И они ездят. Примеры, examples. Я часто езжу на метро. I often go by metro. Я часто езжу на метро. Вчера мы ездили в зоопарк. Yesterday we went to the zoo. Я люблю ездить на море. Я люблю ездить на море. I like to go to the sea. Here, of course, we use after the verb любить, ездить, because любить you can only something that is repeated, something that can be done regularly. That's why after the verbs любить and ненавидеть, we use the verbs like ездить and ходить. Okay, that's the difference between these two verbs. Hope everything is clear. If you have any questions, please write me in comments. I will answer them. Please don't forget to put a like to my video. And if you have a chance and if you want to thank me, you can make a donation by the link given in the description box. It will make me very happy. I really appreciate your donations. Большое вам спасибо. See you next time. До встречи и пока-пока.